Are you ready? We are going to train and train and train until you've become the trader you always wished to be, unless you wish to be a bad trader. We can't help with that. Anyway, if you haven't already, sign up to Deriv, go to Traders Hub, and get ready. Let's go. Today, we'll make a multiplier trade on a step index. You may think, what are these? Well, this is a question you'll be able to answer in a couple of minutes. Follow my lead, go to Traders Hub. Make sure you are using the demo account because we're just training and we can do it for free. Today, we'll be using Deriv Trader. You can find it in here. Deriv Trader is a platform for trading options and multipliers. It comes in very handy with its customizable, easy-to-use charts, indicators to help you with technical analysis, templates to save your favorite chart view, and plenty of helpful tools down here, including this cool button that makes your chart look like this. Nah, it's making me sleepy. Here, you choose your trade type. We are going to choose multipliers. Multipliers are a great way to trade different assets. It's recommended for beginners because while your potential profit is unlimited, your loss is limited to your initial stake. In simple words, the money you put in is the maximum you could lose. Here we choose the asset. Today we'll try step 400. You can find it here. If you're too lazy to do this, go to Deriv, then synthetics. Now let's talk steps. Step index. Step indices are some of the many unique synthetic indices Deriv provides. Synthetic means they mimic the market, but don't get affected by the news and FOMO trends. Step indices in particular simply move by the same exact amount up or down with every tick. No surprises. No sudden crashes or spikes. Perfect for planning. This number next to the word step tells you by how much this index moves up or down. Look, can you see how the step 100 moves by 0.1 each tick? Now check how step 400 moves by 0.4 each tick. Now that we've set the trade type and asset, let's trade. There are 5 main things you need to set when you place your trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To remember them, use the acronym SLETSUP. SELTSAP, SELTSA, whatever, you get it. First, we need to set the stake. This is how much money you want to use for your trade. In the case of multipliers, this is important because, in simple words, the money you put in is the maximum you could lose. Remember? Good, let's get going. Second, you choose the leverage. This is by how much your stake will be multiplied by. $1,000 here, with 125 leverage here, and your trade size is 125. 125000. I was just making sure. I could do this on my own. Here are 2 amazing parameters that beginners usually ignore. Take profit, which is how much profit is enough for you, and stop loss, which is how much loss you're okay with. You can go without setting a take profit and stop loss, but it is really recommended to do it. Like really, really, really recommended. And then we have these 2 little buttons. If you click up, you profit from the price hikes and lose from the dips. If you click down, the exact opposite happens. And when you place your mouse on each of them, you will see on the chart your take profit and stop loss levels. If you don't have a stop loss set, you will see a little number here called stop out. This is the level at which your contract will be closed, or when your loss is equal to your stake because, in simple words, the money you put in is the maximum you could lose. Remember? Good. Looking at this chart, and because it's demo money and we can play around risk-free, I will place 2 orders in both directions and see who will win. You can change, add, or remove your stop loss and take profit limits after placing the order. Go here, click there, and done. What if you decided you're fine with the profit your trade is making already? You hit close. What if you felt you couldn't lose more money than what this trade has lost already? You also hit close. What do you do after watching this video? You hit like and go try it yourself. Thanks for watching. See you next session.